blue unknown, chasing shadows in the undertow. Salt and sunburn brush my skin in this ocean. Let's begin. Whispering waves call my name. All these currents play their game. Lost at sea, but I don't mind. In these tides I always find oceans wide and waves that roar, crash against my heart's own shore. In this fast horizon sea, every dream is wild and free. Moonlit waters guide my way. Stars above, they softly say, through the dark and through the light, sail with me into the night. Below the surface, dreams are real. Every moment you can feel. Far from land and all that's known. Here it's just us all alone. Oceans wide and waves that roar, crash against my heart's own shore. In this vast horizon sea, every dream is wild and free. Oceans wide and waves that roar, crash against my heart's own shore. In this vast horizon sea, every dream is wild and free. You found an old photo locked in a dusty drawer. You and your goofy smile. Oh, how I miss you more. Times when we laughed so loud, caught in a summer haze, lost in those endless days. We didn't know they'd fade. Picture of you brings me back to our youth, when every moment